Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody posted on my video is how to change the icon so they could readily see the difference of their files for Corel Draw. So this video doesn't have too much to do about drawing in Corel Draw as it does to finding these files. So I keep all my files on this laptop in a folder called Picture Library, and you can't see what it is. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You could go right up here and change the icons to a larger icon, and then you could actually start seeing a picture of what the file looks like. You can actually go to extra large. The disadvantage is there's only two Corel Draw files on this page, and you'd have to start cursoring down a long way, and you can really, here's another one. So what I suggest, and I don't do this all the time, but keep them on small where you can see them all, and go right here and have the preview window selected. And there, when you click on what is Doug Apple, well, that's it right there. What is this? What is the boat? This is the boat I drew. Backup of Grace, just things like that. And you can go, well, I did it last month. I did it this month in November. We'll just go right here to November 2018, and here's all my files from 2018. Well, it shows my videos I've made, but it also shows my file. But right up here, you could search CDR, which is a Corel Draw file extension, and there's all your files from this month on this day. On the 22nd, the 21st, you can even sort it. There's probably more sorts that you could have, but there's all your Corel Draw files. If you know what day you did it, voila, there it is on the 5th. On the 5th, you did that file, and that's what it looks like. So anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.